Good morning, Tahmina Khan is here. In TK Maths is Fun. In today's video, we will see a challenging question of integration, which is from November 17, variant 2 to question 11. It will definitely help you to recap your concepts of integration. For more questions I have or more problems I have solved, you can visit my website and my blog address. So let's see a question. The equation of the curve is given, shaded region is given to you, equation of the tangent, straight line is given to you. There are 4 parts in this question. We have to find the coordinates of A, which is the curve intercepting the x-axis at point A. We have to find the value of M. M is the gradient in the equation of the line, which is unknown. We have to find the coordinates of B, which is the intersection of the tangent and the curve, the line and the curve. It is tangent to the curve at the point B, and we have to find the area of a shaded region. So let's start with part A. Part A is on the x-axis. It means we have to substitute y0 in the equation of the curve, because on the x-axis the y coordinate is 0. So in the equation of the curve, I will substitute y0. And if I look at this equation, I should get 2 values of x. One negative, which is representing this interception, and one positive. So positive answer will be my x coordinate of point A. So let's begin. So this is the equation of the curve given. I will substitute y0 here. And then I will factorize this equation. I will get 2 values of x, -1 and +4. And like I said, the minus value we will ignore and we will take the plus value because of this position which is on the right hand side. So I can say the coordinates of point A are 4, 0. Now to find out the value of M, which is the gradient of the line, what we will do? What comes in your mind? The line and the curve are meeting, right? If the line is tangent to the curve, this reminds us that the discriminant will be equals to 0. Now you know the characteristics of discriminant. If it is equals to 0, it means line and curve are intersecting. So because line is the tangent, this line is a tangent to the curve, so I will equate them and I will bring it in a simple quadratic form, which is ax squared plus bx plus c, so that I can pick up ABC and substitute in this equation, right? And once I will substitute in it, it will help me to find the value of M. I hope you understood this point. Here you will apply algebraic identity formula, which is m square minus 6m plus 9, and this is 16. Minus 16, of course, because of this negative sign. So you will get from here the values of M. Now value of M is 7 and -1. Which value of M you will take and which you will discard? Now if you see here, the direction of the line is like this. So if you remember in coordinate geometry, you have studied when the line has this direction, the gradient is negative. So you can write here, I have just typed here a little bit for you, M is equals to 7 is discarded because M is a gradient of the line, and seeing the direction of the line, we know it is negative. Sorry, I have written here by mistake positive. It is negative. Hence, M is equals to -1 is the answer, right? So like this, you will find out the value of M. Now, next part of the question is find out the coordinates of B. So what comes in your mind? B is the intersection point of this line and this curve. So whenever we have to find the intersection point of the line and the curve, what do? We solve it simultaneously. So now I know the equation of the line, which is y is equals to minus x plus z because m is minus 1, and I know equation of the curve. So I will solve them simultaneously. Okay, so this is the line and this is the curve. So when I solved them simultaneously, I got the value of x 2, and it was understood the value of x will be same. Reason is because it is tangent. So that value of x you can plug in either here or here and get the value of y. So the coordinates of B are 2, 6. Now the last part of the question is that we have to find the area of the shaded region. Now if you look at the equation of the shaded region here, area of the shaded region here, it is area of a triangle here minus area under the curve. So I can, and how do we find area of the curve? By integrating equation with the limits 2 to 4. We know this thing, right? So, and for the area of a triangle, this is 6, and this point I don't know. So what should I do? In the equation of the line, which is this one, I can substitute y0. I will get x is equals to 8. It means this point is 8, 0. So this whole length is 8 minus 2, 6. This is 6, and this is also 6. So area of a triangle is half into 6 into 6. And area of a curve is integrate this function, take the limit 2 to 4. So after that you integrate, apply the limit, upper limit minus lower limit, and you solve it just like basic things you do and get the answer. So thank you very much for watching this video. You can share it with your friends. If you think it is useful, please press like and subscribe button and give your valuable comments for the improvement of the upcoming videos. Take care. Allah Hafiz.